prime out the bay. Coming along good. Beezy way. Yeah, this already so far. Coming along good on the second quarter weight. Yeah. Not too bad for my first time. It's a fresh time I done this. To my hands and shit. See my face, my nose hair is white, my hair white, my beard white. I'm not spray this yet because I gotta be stepping in and out of the bay to get like the corners and stuff, so I don't wanna mess this up, so I can spray this last. But you got prime and everything on it, but yeah, she coming along good, but we reach now. Yeah, but she not done. She done on me, but we don't do nothing mediocre, but got a little something up my sleeves. So just stay tuned, but tomorrow is another day, just note that. But yeah, everything's good. Just need to spray the rims now. Drop the engine in. Alright. So this a little test fender or whatever, I don't know what to call it, but this is the type of design I want on the fenders on both of them. So this is like a little freehand, you know, something. But design, I want it to come from this corner of the fender, come around to right here, and this side, come around to right here. But I tried a little freehand and it don't look too bad, so might as well, boy. So I'm gonna put it on. Yeah, but I try clean up the lines with like, they got like these pens that come with paint in them. Just use black to go around the trunk and, you know, make it pop a little bit more. But yeah, the initial design coming from right here, go like that, like it curving around the wheel well, the edge of it. And probably like a couple small branches coming from right here. But yeah, she coming along, but that was just a little, you know, a little test. Alright, so you know, this is not how the fender gonna look now. We're just doing a little freestyle, you know, go all the way with it, cause that's what people that do art do. Sometimes you get away with you get lost and you start doing all type of fuckers. But yeah, the initial design gonna be the cherry blossoms coming from here, going like that. One from here like that, like it curving around. I done told none of that already, but I'm gonna show you how the engine bay look right now. So when I probably done saw that the engine bay was sprayed, she white, and I got another design for this, but can't tell her yet. And I gotta keep watching to see. But yeah, I got to trick up my sleeve and put the design down and we can see. So you know, just keep watching here, the Beezy way. Dipping from the garage, you know. So yeah, going home, you know, but to the west, but we are deal with the thing tomorrow. But I try to put down, I got wet sand the couple parts in the engine bay and then spray it and then we clear coating it. Then I'll try the little design on the fenders, but I got sand down the fenders first and spray them white too, so that's another day thing. But yeah, we coming along good. Project Beezy coming along good. So by next week the engine should be in, I guess. And then I had ordered some other parts. Yeah, and then after that, the other step going to be the exhaust system. Then after that going to be the interior, because I'm going to redo my interior. And then I don't know, after that install the sound system. Yeah, first of all I forget, I need to sand my rims because I getting them respray too, and my headlights. I already got fresh tail lights, the Euro the straight clear ones, yeah. And I got a couple other parts coming in. I'm not going to see, I just going let me start talking and just make the videos and make gonna see what going into the car, what I getting for the car, what going on, blah blah blah, etc etc. I'm not going to see, just keep watching the Beezy way. Yeah, we out. Oh yeah, another thing, when I don't do this in a car, I got my phone video now. And that's $150 ticket if police see me. I don't get I don't get a ticket for using my phone. So yeah, I wanna just bill when it comes to videoing while I'm driving. But I don't learn my lesson even though I doing it again still, but you don't know.